Alright, hey, what up guys? I'm going to do a quick little unboxing and review of a new hat I got from Killl The Hype LA or KTHLA. It's a new brand, I guess, out of LA. They do really dope stuff with the hats. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing real quick. As you can see, it's the LA Dodgers logo upside down. This is what they do. That's what they're known for. All right, so let's get into it. It's the Killl The Hype LA Dodgers corduroy snapback. It's all black on black. I mean, the top is corduroy. Like as you can see, this part is corduroy, and this is more like a suede nubuck type material. It's really dope. The little details, the gold on the side, Killl The Hype on the back, really dope. Yeah, man, it's just a really dope hat. They have different teams. They have like in the past they've had San Francisco, Detroit. They've had hockey teams like the Mighty Ducks and all that, and they're all upside down. That's what they're known for. I mean, it's really dope. Yeah, I mean, it's really good quality, and it's real comfortable too. So it's not gonna be like tight on your head. I mean, it fits nice. I mean, because it's a snapback, it's not a fitted, so it's adjustable to your head size. And I got a pretty big head, so I mean, it's pretty good. And it's on the fourth snap, on the fourth button, so that's pretty good for me because I'm usually on the third or second. I have a big head, so I mean, it's really good, really dope. Shipping took a while. It took like a month to send out. The owner DM'd me on Instagram, said he was sorry because he was the only one by himself doing 200 plus orders for the holiday season, I guess, so it took a while. I mean, it was all good. Once I got the shipping information, he sent it out. I got it within 2 days, so it was really quick. Good customer service. I mean, it did take a month, but it's all good. I got my hat now, so it's all good. To get the hat, you have to follow them on Instagram. You don't have to follow them on Instagram, but that's when they tell you when they're gonna sell it. So they're gonna do flash sales at random times, and you go on their Instagram and they'll tell you when they're gonna sell them on their website. Because right now, if you check it, I'm looking at it right now, everything's sold out. They have like a few items on there, but it says it's all sold out. All their hats, all their products. Yeah, so you definitely want to follow them if you want to get your hand on this. If you want to get your hands on this product, you definitely have to follow them on Instagram to get the updates of when they're gonna resell them or restock them. They come in different colors: red, white, whatever they have available at the time. You definitely have to follow them on Instagram to get a chance to get it, man. Because they do sell out quick on Instagram. That's how I found out about it. Like you can see like Lakers, like Swaggy P, he has his hat. Diddy, Cassie, Casey Veggies, a bunch of other people you can see on their Instagram. They have this hat. It's really dope. This particular hat was the corduroy, the black one. Was $100. I know it's a bit pricey, but it is really good quality. They have other hats, like the regular hats that are like, this material is like 50 bucks. Still a little bit pricey, but definitely a good quality hat. Really dope. The stitching's really nice. Nothing's popping out, like no stitching. I'll probably wear it with like a little bit of a curved brim. You can wear it however you like it. I don't know. What's your preference? You know what I'm saying? You can wear it backwards too, you know. Overall dope hat, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, I'm gonna come out with more content soon. You know, I'm done with school for the fall, so definitely check my channel, subscribe, comment, like, whatever you want to do, dislike, whatever. I mean, I'm gonna come up with more stuff because I am on break for the next month, so I gotta find something to do. Definitely check me out. Check out Killl The Hype LA. I'm gonna leave their website and their Instagram in the information box, so definitely check them out if you want to get their products. And yeah, man, subscribe. Evan Yee. Peace.